Good morning, everyone. This morning, Spirit wants us to know that we have released so much and we open and vulnerable. But so carry on nurturing yourself and others that need your help. There is a lot of loyalty and love in your relationships with family and friends, and you ready for this bright new future to come your way. There's luck on your side, and the sun is shining on your life today. And they say your creativity, your voice within, is open and alive. So express yourself today. You are receiving advice from your angels while you're sleeping or whatever, whenever, and you are being guided. The angels want you to know they are with you 24/7. You have gained so much self confidence and self determination, and with that, you are able to move forward. You're looking at the past with compassion and love and peace and forgiveness, and that is bringing you brightness and love into your life now. You have to also learn to work with others, but when you do so, you still must not be true to yourself and don't let others talk you into doing things you don't want to do. There are wishes that are going to be granted. You've moved away now from things that you can't do anything more about, and that is bringing improvements in your life already. You got control of your life as it is right here, right now, and it's the end, final endings now to situations that don't serve you at all. The universe, the angels, and your God is with you 100% at this time, and your loved ones want you to know that they recognize your patience and your prayers have been heard and they are being answered. Thanks all for listening. Have a lovely day.